Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This is boy Cooking with Sindaco. I'm back here. Yeah, you're still in the Voltaian, Keta, yeah, and Ayikple. So in front of me, I have two delicious food that I've tried. Yeah, dope food. Yeah, this is Ayikple. So this is brown and white. Yeah, and the way this food came about or came to existence is dope. Coconut juice or coconut milk was added to this food, and it's a whole recipe on its own. Very dope food, healthy food from the water side. Man, you love it. Yeah, so I have Davis all over around. Yeah. It's called Ayikple. Yeah, so we're done with our Ayikple taji. And this is the white version of Ayikple. Yeah, Ayikple taji. So maglu fe ha. Oh, baya the one go see. Dope food, healthy food, delicious food, and alcohol. Okay. Ayikple taji. Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This your boy Cooking with Sindaco. I'm back again. Yeah, I'm seeing the Voltaian Keta. Yeah, and today's recipe is called Ayikple. Yeah, so since the main occupation here is fishing, they have to eat heavy, and Ayikple is the food that can do that. So they have different kind of Ayikple with different kind of stew and sauce, and they use cornflour to prepare this food with beans. Let's do this, man. Okay. Okay. We're about to make some beans Ayikple. Ayikple with beans in it. Like one of the dope food that they have over here. Ayikple. Okay. Yeah, so we first boil our beans since it's the only ingredient that requires much time to cook, and we took off or we selected the unwanted or the spoiled beans from it. Okay, so that we have a clean food.
Ayilea. Ayemi akogare.
Okay.
Ayikple ihe kpalaman. Ayele machikogare jadara Joji.
Okay. Joji?
Joji.
Okay. Yeah, so we are putting our beans on fire. The beans. The beans Ayikple that we'll be doing, we need this coconut inside the recipe, yeah. So she'll crack the water now. Okay, so we yet to find out, like what I was told that they need the coconut for the recipe, so yeah, so this is what we need for Ayikple. Okay, so we need it for the Ayikple. Okay, Kochi.
Name ya kogara Ayikple.
Yeah, so after we wash everything before we use it. Yeah. So whilst we are cracking our coconut too, our beans is on fire, and yeah, this is typical village life, and I'm loving it, really loving it. Okay, so we're about to wash our coconut, and yeah. Okay, yeah, so we're about to grate. Ayikple, okay, so Ayikple. Okay. So starting our stew, this is granite oil and
Ayikple stew.
Ayikple stew, yeah. We are using granite oil. Yeah, so straight into the oil, we'll be chopping the onion, and yeah, this typical village life. You don't need to set everything ready. You just cut and you go. No time to waste. Adding a bit of tin tomatoes to it. Yeah. Not a bit, the whole thing.
Ginger mixed with onion.
Okay.
And raposhito.
Oh, okay, pepper. Yeah, so there are three things.
Toasting onion.
Yeah, okay.
And cooking inside.
Okay. Yeah, that area, bro.
The white jumper. Oh.
Yeah, so we're now adding pepper to it.
Let me warm about it.
Powdered pepper.
So please, let's do the
Yeah, so we're now adding our tomatoes.
Clear.
Yeah.
Tomatoes are chichi Tomatoes are chichi.
Achichi, okay. Achichi
Tomatoes are chichi.
Okay.
Planted tomatoes.
Planted?
Yeah.
Okay, so this homemade and our home product.
Yeah.
The tomatoes was planted in the house. Yeah. So tomatoes achichi.
Yeah. Chichito.
Achichito.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see the water content as okay, kuchi areji. So this will become
some water there.
okay. Yeah. So adding maggi to it, give a taste of the stew. So this is the stew. Ayikple taji.
We are washing the fish.
Okay. Achifivi.
Bobby.
Okay. This is Bobby.
Kejado.
Bobby Kejado. Yes. Bobby Brown. Wow.
Sukuli de chimono kuku supita zimono ma. Menye ye o mi la fi o. Mi a de shie mi duna. Ye o mi le.
Ayo. So this stew, we have some melon seed, agushi, yeah. This is our agushi, yeah, that's melon seed.
Oko agushi akorechiama.
Okay, so this is agushi, melon seed, and we mix it and add to the stew. Yeah, agushi for you. Agushi for you.
But yeah, we just added
agushi, okay. Flavor, okay. So this is just be added to give the flavor of the stew. It's not agushi stew, but it's just the flavor that it will give. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so now we're done with our grating of coconut, and we need the milk from this. So we are now adding water to it to squeeze the liquid from it. Yeah.
Even chiemi akogare, Ayikple.
Okay. So you mix it with your hand to have the milk or the white content from it. Or the white liquid. Ayikple.
Chima chocho, mami akogare Ayikple.
Okay, Ayikple.
Nice.
It's okay. How many minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay, so we are soaking this with the water for about 5 to 10 minutes before we use it. Yeah. But we now put somewhere the sun will hit it.
Yes.
Yeah, because we need heat to hit it. Okay, so we're about to add our meat to the stew. So this is cow meat. Yeah. So testing officers are testing. Yeah. No. Test. FVV. Everything to.
So you plug on your code.
Ow. Yeah, so this is our local salt, and we're adding some to it to taste. Yeah. So now our beans is almost ready, and what call it? So that's Abi. Yeah, so we are adding our salt to the what do you call to the beans because it's now ready. Yeah, so it's been 10 minutes since we had our coconut under the sun, and it has dissolved a bit. So now we are now sieving it to get the milk, and that's the milk over there. Enyo. Okay, so now add our coconut milk or juice. So this is coconut oil, milk or juice, and has been added to our beans. So this is a recipe, a clear recipe. Wow. This is real African. Wow. Okay, so this needs to boil. So waiting for it to boil. So this is our boiled coconut. Ayikple, yeah. So Ayikple, Ayito, and yeah, coconut juice or milk was added, and now the cornflour. We're adding our cornflour to it. So cornflour and Ayikple.
The white one.
This is a white Ayikple with beans.
White Ayikple.
Yeah, white Ayikple.
White beans bank.
Yeah, white beans bank. Okay. Here basically they don't share food like that. After everything they pour it inside the bowl, and the whole family gathering. Yeah. Okay, so this. Wow. Yeah, Yeah, so we're done with our Ayikple taji and
Baba Magufia.
Oh, and that is a white version of Ayikple, yeah, Ayikple petaji. So Magufia. Oh, my, the one go see. Yeah, so like dog food, healthy food, delicious food, and alcohol. So basically, because of the main job over here is fish, what do you call it? Fish farming, yeah. All the food that they eat is akpele or the corn, so that it gives them energy, or when they eat, they feel more strong to be able to work on the sea, yeah. So, Ayikple taji, alcohol. Ayikple taji. Very delicious food. Wow. So this dry blue fish. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, tell a friend, tell a brother, follow us on Facebook and on YouTube as well. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so be notified when new video drop. Still discovering food from the water side. I'm in Kita, yeah? So let's meet again for Shazam and Nizzle. I'm out. Every talk.
Para